Sorry, I was a little late. I was sipping on that smoothie I showed you earlier.
Okay, that's fine. Hi, we're back again. Is this the, I forget, is this our third or fourth?
I think we've had more than that, more than 4 coding classes this year.
I can't remember now. But anyway, it's another episode of Coding Class with Mr. Han, and I'm with my student.
Scorpion.
Okay, I forget what number it is. I'll figure out. It'll be in the description anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Tuesday
Tuesday, February
2nd.
2nd, year 2021. Okay, so this is the spring semester for spring 2021. So the goal is to work on for all the students to have I mean, of course it depends on how much work you put into it. So hopefully we'll have before the summer, every student will have 2 to 3 projects that they will have worked on. And just for full disclosure, for the audience, anybody who's watching these videos, I do about half of the coding. But then each student is required to make to add on, make changes, and to do the other half, I guess, right? Because I do like the basic stuff, but you need to know how to
do the advanced stuff.
I don't say advanced stuff, but you need to know how to. It's kind of like Minecraft, right? It's like Minecraft where you have the blocks, right?
Oh, like you can get wooden planks in the first 5 seconds of Minecraft, but you need to work really hard to get a diamond block.
Well, I would say when you make the houses and the structures, the castles,
yeah.
The point of the game is not for the game to make it for you. The point of the game is for you to build it yourself. Okay? Either you do it by yourself, or you work with other people, right?
Yeah, you can the game pretty much gives you instructions on what to do without even telling you anything.
Well, okay, right.
Gather
but the
wood
game,
or
right, but the
pig for food or something.
Right, but the essence of the game. But the essence of the game is not to tell you what to do exactly, right?
Yeah,
it doesn't tell you build a house. It's up to you to decide what.
You can't kill the wither in your first 5 seconds of Minecraft. You've got to work. You've got to work for it. You've got to go to the Nether.
Okay.
Just to get the wither's materials.
Honestly, I know you made a very smart reference. I didn't get it because I don't play Minecraft.
The wither is
I understand. It's really hard to something that's really hard to do. You're not gonna do it in the first session of playing Minecraft.
Yeah, unless you play 24/7.
Well, I mean, the first time you're not gonna do anything exciting.
Other than get wood and get a house.
Get wood and get a house. Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
Master Han.
Yes.
I started a new world a few days ago. I got iron in the first 10 minutes.
Okay.
And iron.
But you've been playing Minecraft for a long time. You've been playing Minecraft for a long time. It's not like it's your first rodeo. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not surprised.
Yeah, I know what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, you know what you're supposed to do.
I know I need to get a pickaxe and everything, head to the caves, get some stone, get some iron,
yeah,
possibly some diamonds.
Yeah, so that's the advantage of actually having put in the work earlier. Okay, now there seems to be a little bit of confusion about what your assignments are. Okay, so every session I will create a blog post. I mean, not blog post. I will create a post in stream, and it will be right there what your assignment is. Hello? Okay, so Your mom shouldn't be asking me, what is Tanae supposed to be doing? What's his homework? Okay? Hello? We got that? Okay?
Yep.
Okay, you're not a baby. You weren't a baby when I met you. And last year to now you're older. So you got to level up, okay? Okay,
Got to
so
level up a few years ago.
okay, so the assignment is right here, right? So it says add another racer to the T racing game. Shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do that.
What's the T racing game?
I showed it to you before. I'll show it again. What changes can you make to the T racing game? Okay. For the FizzBuzz web app, what does each function in the script.js file do? So that's your assignment. Okay.
Okay.
So from now on, you are going to be sharing your screen at least 15 minutes to 30 minutes of the session. Okay. So this year you need to take over. You need to take over and initiate. Do you understand what I'm saying?
To become the master style?
Scorpion. When you become a tech billionaire and buy me a Lambo, then I'll say you're the master, okay? Okay? Is that incentive for you?
Do I have to buy you a Lambo? Why can't I get you 10,000 private jets?
I'm gonna fly 10,000 private jets. That doesn't make sense.
One for each day you want to go flying.
Okay, that doesn't even make any sense. Okay. I'm kidding. You don't have to buy me anything. Okay, do you understand? So this year you need to initiate. Okay? You need to have questions to ask, and you need to contribute. You need to contribute project ideas. Okay?
What?
I mean, what?
That's so not fair.
Scorpion, do I need to talk to your mom?
No.
Okay? The goal of me teaching you how to code is not for me to talk all the time. Okay?
Okay.
Your mom expects you to initiate. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you need to be less passive and more active.
Okay.
Why do you have the camera off?
Because I'm doing an experiment with the T racing game.
Well, no, you need to keep the camera on. Hello?
Okay.
Okay. So it's in you should have already copied it into your Trinket account.
Okay.
I think you did, right? Okay. So 1 second, I'm going to stop my share. And Scorpion, are you paying attention? Hello? You know this video is being recorded, right? I can show this to your mom, right?
I know.
Okay, so when you're ready, start sharing. When you're ready, start sharing.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I don't think anyone could read any of it. I'll chop it out of the video. I'll blur it out. I'll blur it out of the video. I'll chop it out of the video.
My dad sent me a funny video.
In the future, you have to make sure any of your information you should not have in there. Shouldn't be showing any of your information.
Yeah. My dad sent me a funny video, and I forgot to turn it off.
Okay, I'll chop it off of the video. Oh, your Trinket account. Where's your Trinket account?
Yeah, where is it? Oh, there it is.
I don't know. You're supposed to know. Okay, so let's go to. So go to your My Trinket. No, it's your account name. It's under your account name. My Trinket.
Tracer game.
Maybe.
Is it?
Oh, that's no.
What even is this? Huh?
No, this is not it.
Oh no, this is just the.
This is you. Okay, let's go back.
Go! Get red!
Scorpion.
Yeah.
This is a 60-minute session. It's
Master
not 3
Hana.
hours.
Master Han, I actually have a personal high score on this game. It's
Well,
105.
the game is not completely finished yet.
Yeah, but I do have
Okay.
a personal high
I
score on
don't
it.
think. Okay, I don't think you get copied into your. Okay, go to Google Classroom.
What's
Let's
this?
go to Google Classroom.
Oh, I remember this.
Scorpion.
Yeah, I
Scorpion.
remember this.
Let's
Sorry,
focus.
sorry.
I only have 60 minutes. We have less than 60. Okay. Okay, so let's go to Google Classwork. Go down to it. I think it's under Code Projects.
Where is Code Project?
Go down.
I don't know.
I think it might be on the turtle. Might be on the turtle. Turtle, yeah.
Is this it?
No, it says T Racing. No, that's not it. That's not it. It should say T Racing.
Click my button. Turtle graphics code. Square, rectangle. Blah,
Okay,
blah,
maybe I
blah,
haven't.
blah.
Maybe I haven't.
I know there was.
Yeah, no, it's in Code Projects. Go to Code
Yeah,
Projects.
where is code? That's
Code
Pizza Project.
No. Code Projects.
Where does it say Code Project?
Well, then go down then.
Going
down.
down does not help. Oh, there it is.
Okay, so open up the trinket and you click on the remix button and it'll copy into your account. Click on the remix button.
Remix. I think I already remixed it.
Well, I don't see in your account. Okay, I need to refresh. Okay.
How do you even play this game? It's just
you don't do anything. It's automatic. It just plays by itself.
Okay, so then where are the seriously? No. Minecraft!
Oh no, Roblox is the winner. Okay. Okay, so let's look. It's not. It doesn't mean anything. So let's look at line 9. So what's happening at line 9?
Line 9. Okay.
So what's happening at line 9?
Are the results random or no? They're not random.
Yeah, it's randomized. What's happening at line 9?
Import turtle random. Oh, well, that answers my question. I didn't even.
Okay, so what's happening at line 9? What's happening at line 9?
It's importing turtle, but making it random. Minecraft is winning. No.
Scorpion. Let's focus here. Okay, so when we import a module, what's happening when we import a module? When we import a module, what's happening? What is a module? You deleted one of the letters. You deleted the M. No, you added like 2 N's. It's random, not random with an N.
I put random.
Okay. What happens when we import? What are we importing?
Minecraft is winning.
Scorpion. This is only a 60-minute session.
I'm sorry. I did like Minecraft.
You stop. You can play with it later, okay?
Okay.
So when we import, what are we importing?
You're importing turtle.
But what is turtle and random? What is turtle and
you get random results.
Let's go back up. Turtle and random. What is turtle and random?
You get random results.
No. What is a module? What is a module?
A module is kind of like
Okay, why don't you Google it? Let's Google it. Open up another tab. Okay, Python module. Python. What is a module? What is a Python module? Was? You typed was.
Was a Python module. What is a Python module? It actually understands me.
Okay, what is a Python module? No, go back up.
Module is a Python object with named attributes that you can bind and reference. Simply, a module is a file consisting of Python code.
Okay.
Module.
So what is a module? So what is a module? So what is a module?
It's in
No, forget that. Simply
arbitrarily named
no, forget
attributes
that. Forget that. Simply a module.
It's a Python object.
No. Simply a module
it's a file
is what?
consisting of Python code.
Okay, so it's basically a file with Python code. Okay, let's go back to T racing.
Okay, let me just watch.
Scorpion. Scorpion. This is only a 60-minute session. I wouldn't have. Okay, let's try to stay on track. Okay, so what are the two modules? So what are the two modules that we are importing? What are the two modules we are importing?
You're importing turtle and random
Okay, why do we need the turtle module?
You need the turtle module.
You deleted a letter.
I did.
Be careful. Don't delete anything, please. Okay?
Huh?
You deleted a letter. You added a letter too.
Random. But that.
You added a letter.
Yeah.
You added a letter.
Yeah, I added O.
No, you added like a period or something. And okay, right? Okay, so why do we need the turtle module?
We need the turtle module to draw Minecraft and Roblox. And we need the random module to get random race results.
Yeah.
Like sometimes Roblox will win.
Okay.
And sometimes
okay, so what's happening? So what's happening in line 12? What are we doing in line 12? Please don't. Scorpion, don't. Don't delete anything, please. Okay.
I'm not. I'm just.
What are you doing in line 12?
I'm not deleting anything. I'm just.
Okay.
Highlighting.
What are we doing in line? You don't have to highlight anything. What are we doing in line 12?
Your pen 0 equals turtle.turtle.
We covered this last year.
It makes the turtle.
Right. It makes the turtle what? The turtle
look like.
No. What it creates the turtle. Turtle what?
Object.
Object. Thank you. Okay. We create the turtle object, and what's the name of the object?
Pen 0.
Pen 0. Okay. So what? So we have one block of code there, right? So what is? So what does that block of code do? What does it do?
Okay. So that block of code. What?
There's a comment right there. If you notice, there's a comment. I typed out a comment, line 11.
This block draws the finish line.
Okay, so it draws the finish line. It also writes the words finish line. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next block. What's happening in the next block? Don't highlight it. Okay. What's happening in the no? You went past it. Let's go back up. Okay, after we draw the finish line and write out the words finish line, what does the next block do?
You're setting up Roblox, aka Tommy? Who's Tommy? Where does it say Tommy?
Okay. The name of the object has nothing to do with what's written on the screen. Those are two different things. Okay.
Oh,
What is
okay.
So what is happening in this block of code?
Tommy is becoming a turtle.
Tommy is another.
Is creating a turtle object.
Okay. So Tommy is the green circle. So
he's Roblox.
So Tommy is the green object, the green object that we see on the screen. Okay.
So he's Roblox.
Okay.
Roblox.
So what do we need to know about Tommy?
We know that Tommy is Roblox.
No, you don't know that yet. I don't write that until much later. What is Tommy? Let's look at line 27, 28, and 30. What do we know about Tommy?
27, 28, and 30.
What do we know about Tommy?
Green circle, and he goes at speed 1.
Okay, and 1 is the what? And how fast is the 1?
And how fast is 1? 1 is so slow.
1 is the slowest. What's the fastest setting?
The fastest setting would be Joey's speed.
No.
I changed it. It's now the fastest one.
Okay, 0, right. 0 is the fastest. Okay. So after we create we set up or create the Tommy turtle Tommy. What does the next block of code do? Scorpion, stop running the code, okay? Let's go.
Sorry.
What does the next block do?
Oh, where is it? Oh, okay. It puts Tommy at the starting position, aka this place that my mic. You know what? Annotate.
Annotate.
Yeah, I'm just gonna annotate.
You're gonna annotate?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't seem to be working. Okay, what does the next block of code? What does it do? Scorpion, this is not a 3-hour session. We're running out of time. Okay, I have a lot of material I want to cover.
Yeah, but Master Han, I'm just showing that this is the starting line.
Okay.
Right here.
What does the next block of code do? What does it do? No. You just went back up.
Oh.
What does the next block of code do? What does the next block of code do?
Oh, it makes it show the turtle. Then it writes their names on the screen, Roblox and
No. Which block of code are we talking about?
I'm talking
about lines 37 to 43. What does that block of code do?
Oh, that one I'm just setting up. That one's just setting up the Joey, whatever it's called.
And what do we know about Joey?
We know that Joey is a red triangle and is ultimate speed.
Well, it's set at the fastest speed. Okay. What is the next block of code? What does the next block of code do?
It positions Joey at the starting line.
Okay. And then the next block of code, what does the next block of code?
It shows both of the turtles, and then it says, and then
shows
it
both
writes
turtles.
Roblox and Minecraft.
Okay.
And then
let's change the names. Let's change the name of Roblox and Minecraft. Let's call it pizza and hot dog. That's where you change the name.
No, I'm just making sure that Minecraft will win all the time.
Okay. So let's change the name to hamburger and hot dog.
I know. Among Us and Among Us and Contra.
Contra. Okay.
Do you play Contra?
I know what it is. Okay. Okay.
Oh no!
So Scorpion.
Yeah.
I don't have all day. I have a lot of material we're trying to cover. Okay.
Yep.
I'm already half the session is gone now. Okay. Please, let's focus. You can whatever you want to do. You're more than welcome to do when the session's over. You don't need me.
Do this.
You don't need me to do that. Okay. Okay.
Let's do
so
this.
that's where we change the names. Now what? So what? Okay. The last block of code. What does the last block of code do? What does it do?
It makes their speed go.
No. That has nothing to do with your speed.
Oh, in like.
In English.
Oh.
In English, what does the last block of code? What does the last block of code?
It makes them go forward. At a random. How do you say it? Distance. We'll call it. Like right now.
Okay, so
Joey can
so how many times? So how many times will this? So what kind of loop is that?
That is a for loop.
Okay, and how many times does this for loop?
It loops 5 times.
It loops 5 times.
100 times.
Okay, 100 times. Okay. Well, that's not fair. You didn't give Joey a chance. You rigged it.
I meant to put Contra in the first place.
You rigged
there
it.
We go. Much better.
Wow.
I'm sorry for caring about an old video game.
You rigged the race. You rigged the race. Okay. Okay. So okay. So with Turtle and Random, you can create all kinds of games that, well, not games. You can create a lot of projects where it just runs by itself, where you don't really do anything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's look at open up the FizzBuzz. Let's look at FizzBuzz.
Okay, but Master Hun, before we do that, there's just one last thing I want to show you before I do that. And I'm still gonna share my screen. Google Chrome. Look at this crazy speed.
Yeah, but no one can see what's going on. Okay, so let's go to the FizzBuzz. Scorpion.
Okay.
This is a 60-minute session.
Yep.
Scorpion, this is a 60-minute session. Okay.
Goodbye, Tracing Remix. Goodbye.
Not Tracing Remix.
Goodbye.
Okay, so let's go to the FizzBuzz app.
FizzBuzz app.
No, it's in your Trinket account. It's in your Trinket account.
All right. Okay. I need to move this. Trinket. I clicked on it. There.
Okay, so go to. Okay, so FizzBuzz is basically FizzBuzz is in this project. It's a web page basically. Okay. Okay, so let's click on the script.js file.
Okay.
Okay, so a part of your assignment. No, you clicked on the wrong thing. File. Hello. So a part of your assignment this week is you should know what each function in the script.js file does. The script.js, don't highlight anything. Please don't highlight anything.
Sorry.
I don't want you to delete anything.
How do I stop? There.
Don't delete. I don't want you to delete anything. Okay.
Master Han.
Okay. So every
But
so
there's one problem with this assignment. How am I supposed to do this if I don't even know one little bit of JavaScript?
okay, but are you telling me that you have no idea what's going on?
Like I know
What's happening? What's happening in line 5? What's line 5? What are we doing in line 5?
Oh, anything
Don't
that's,
highlight anything. Don't highlight anything. What's happening in line 5?
I'm not gonna delete. I'm just gonna say, like, my hands are behind my head.
What does line 5? What is line 5? What does line 5? What's happening in line 5?
Make sure that everything divisible by 3 is
no. What is line 5?
Constantly fizz equals 3.
Okay, so what does that mean?
No matter what, 3 is always fizz.
Okay, right. It is a constant, but what else is happening? What is the computer doing? When the web browser reads line 5, what is it going to do?
When the web browser reads line 5, then it's gonna get real mad.
Why it's gonna get mad? What is happening at line 5?
It's making a constant, and then
constant what? A constant?
A constant function?
No, that's not a function. That's how we make a function? With an equal sign? No. What do we do with an equal sign?
Constant variable.
Okay, so it's creating so it creates a constant.
Variable.
You just said it. Variable. Okay, creates a constant variable. Okay. What's happening in line 7?
It's creating another constant variable.
Another constant variable. Okay. And what's happening in line 9?
Another constant variable.
Another constant variable. Okay. Why are we making these constant variables?
Well, we're making the constant variables so that constantly 3, 5, and 15 will be FizzBuzz or FizzBuzz. FizzBuzz or FizzBuzz.
But why are we making them constant?
Because we don't want somebody to think
No. We don't want somebody to do what?
We don't want somebody to say buzz on.
No. What does it mean when something is constant?
It just keeps on going and going and going.
Okay, what's the another meaning? What's another meaning? When we say constant, what else does it mean?
Just repeating itself.
Okay, we said that. What does constant also mean?
I don't know.
Can I change FizzBuzz or FizzBuzz? Can I change these variables?
Yeah.
Well, then they wouldn't be constant.
No, you can't change it. It's something you can never change.
Well, you can change it before you run the code. In the code, but you can't change it. Okay, look here. Okay, so we have JavaScript here, right? So I'm going to make a constant variable. Let's just call it max, okay? So we have a max number of 500, okay? So if I try to change it, right? If I do this, if I do max equals 0, right?
0.
What should happen?
Nothing should happen because max is always 500 years old.
No, I'm going to get an error. You see that? Okay, I'm going to get an error. Okay, because you can't change a constant variable. Now this is a big difference, but there's a big difference with Python. In Python, what can you do?
You can change it.
Well, there are no constants. Okay? There are no constants.
No way.
Okay. Now in Python, you can use capital letters to tell other coders that these variables are constant. But that doesn't really mean anything because you can just change them.
Yeah.
Okay. Python assumes that you are an adult. You're not, but assumes you are an adult and that you know what you're doing. Okay, so look what happens here. So what is
Okay.
max?
500.
Okay, 500. Okay, and when you print max, what prints out?
500.
Right. Okay. What is max now?
0.
Okay, and when I print max, it's 0. Okay, so
0.
Python does not have a built-in const keyword. Okay, there is a way. There is a trick you can use to create a constant variable in Python that people can't change, but
Okay.
it's not built into the language. You have to use a kind of like a trick to do that. Okay,
Like,
so
you have
share
to input a glitch in the matrix.
share your screen again. Okay. Okay, so what's the name of this? What is the name of this first function?
Constant. Oh, no.
What's the name of the function?
Function.
No, that function is a keyword. What is the name of this function?
FizzBuzz?
FizzBuzz. Okay. What is the parameter? What is the parameter of this function?
Num.
Num. Okay. Now, just like in Python, instead of function, we use def. And then after def, we put in the function name. And then we'll have parentheses. And then we will have scorpion. I'm not finished.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll have inside the parentheses, if it has parameters, if it uses parameters, it'll be inside the parentheses. It's not that. Please don't change the code. We're not.
Oh, sorry, I accidentally. No, that is not right.
No, that's not right.
What?
Okay.
There.
Okay, so what's happening inside the function? Let's look at line 11. What's happening at line 11?
If num modulus.
You don't have to say mod, you can say mod.
If num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, and num in equals 0.
No, not in equal, not equal.
Not equal. Same thing. Just different ways of saying it.
So what does that mean in English?
If it's equal to FizzBuzz and
where does it say equal to FizzBuzz? It doesn't say equal to FizzBuzz. It says not equal to 0 and I'm sorry, it says equal to 0 and not equal to 0. If num is how would you say that in English? If num
mod.
No,
FizzBuzz.
forget mod. If in English, translate it in English for me. If num
equals 0.
No, not equal. Where does it say num equals 0? If num mod, when we say num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, what does that mean in English? If num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, what does that mean?
If num divided by FizzBuzz.
In English, don't say math. Don't say any math. In English, how would we say that? If num
remainder FizzBuzz equals 0.
Remainder? No. In English, when we play the FizzBuzz game, what are you doing in your head?
I'm trying to
if I give you the number 15,
if
I give you the number 15, what are you doing in your head?
I'm saying, is this fizz? Is this buzz? Is it FizzBuzz? It's
okay.
FizzBuzz.
When you say it's FizzBuzz, what does that mean?
It's a multiple of 15.
Okay, it's a multiple of 15. Okay. So if num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, what does that mean in English? If num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, what does that mean in English?
If num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, What does that mean in English? Let me check.
When we're playing the game, it's playing the game. Just like when we play FizzBuzz, you're doing the same thing in your head, but the computer is doing it a little differently. But it's doing basically the same thing.
Yeah, just different.
But in English, what would that be?
Same.
If num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, what does that mean in English?
Master Han, can I give you an example of what you were just saying? You can say hello in English, as hello, but in Hindi you've got to say namaste.
Namaste, right there.
So
okay.
Okay, you're saying it.
Okay, you already said it before.
Then
when we're playing FizzBuzz and I give you 15, 30, 45, 60, what are you doing in your head?
I'm finding out whether it's FizzBuzz or both.
Okay, but here, what are we looking at? We're only looking at FizzBuzz, right?
Yep.
So what is this if statement doing? If num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, and num is not equal to 0, right? Okay. If the number is equal to as long as the number is not 0, and the number num mod FizzBuzz equals 0,
okay,
then we're going to return the number plus the word FizzBuzz. Okay. So basically, we're saying number. This number is FizzBuzz. Okay. So what does this line 11? What is the line 11 checking for? In English. In simple English.
In simple English, it's checking for whether or not the FizzBuzz is equal to.
No, not the FizzBuzz. We already know what FizzBuzz is. The number. If
the num is equal to 0, or if it's unequal,
what does that mean?
Whatever it's called, to 0.
Okay, but what does that mean in English?
It's either not equal to 0 or it is equal to 0.
No.
It's checking. Look,
when I give you a number, you're checking. When we play FizzBuzz, I give you a number. Let's say 47, right? You're asking yourself, is it a multiple of what? What are you doing in your head?
Oh, you're asking if num is
if I give you the number, if I give you the number 12, what do you do in your head?
Master Han, you're asking if num is equal to 0, or if it's unequal to 0. Like num is the number you gave me, and 0.
No, I'm just talking about you. When I give you a number, when we play FizzBuzz and I give you a number, what are you doing in your head?
I'm checking it out, whether it's seeing whether it's FizzBuzz or.
But what does that mean when we say FizzBuzz or FizzBuzz? What does that mean?
I'm checking its variable.
No, not a variable. You said it before. You said it before. If the number is what? You said it before.
The number is a multiple of 3 or 5.
If a number is a multiple of 3, you're supposed to say what? If it's a multiple of 3, what are you supposed to say? Okay. So what is line 11 checking for? What is the computer doing here? Line 11. If num mod FizzBuzz equals 0, what does that mean in English? What is the computer doing that is the equivalent of what you're doing in your head? You just said it already.
I'm checking whether it's fizz or buzz.
No. Line 11. Line 11. What is line 11 doing?
I'm checking.
The computer is checking for what?
It's checking for fizz.
No. Line 11. Line 11.
Yes, I'm looking at line 11.
Okay, what is line 11 doing? What is it checking for?
It's checking for FizzBuzz. There.
Okay, so it's checking to see if the number is a
multiple of 15.
Right, number 15. Okay, if the number is a multiple of 15, then what does the program going to tell us?
The
Look at line
program-
13. Look at line 13.
Look at line 13.
What is line 13? So if line 11, if line 11, first we go to line 11. So if both the
Okay.
conditions are true, then what happens at line 13?
Both conditions are true.
Num mod FizzBuzz equals to 0, and num is not equal to 0, then what happens at line 13?
Then what happens at line 13 is pretty simple.
Okay, what happens at line 13?
Num is equal to FizzBuzz.
Okay, so the computer is going to tell us that the number is
Equal to FizzBuzz.
FizzBuzz. Okay, so what happens at
FizzBuzz.
line 15? What happens at line 15?
What happens at line 15?
In English.
15. It's checking if it's fizz or not.
In English, that means what? Num is
Num is checking 0 for
0. What's 0?
Fizz.
Why do you keep saying 0?
Because 0 is
What does it mean when what does it mean when num mod fizz equals 0? What does that mean? In English, what does that mean?
what does
If the number,
that mean?
if num is 3, what happens when you mod by fizz?
It's checking
Right, it's checking.
for fizz just the same way it was checking for FizzBuzz earlier.
Right. Okay. So if num is a multiple of fizz, what is the result?
If num is a multiple of fizz, then it returns fizz.
It returns fizz. Right. But I'm saying if we do the math, num mod fizz, if num is 6, what is the equation look like? Num mod fizz equals what? If number is 6,
If number is 6, then you do
6 mod fizz equals what?
6 mod fizz equals 0.
0, right? Every time num is a multiple of fizz, there is no what? There will be no remainder, right? Remainder. Okay, remainder. Okay, now what's happening in line 19?
Same thing that happened on line 15 and
Tell me
line
in English.
11.
Tell me in English.
It's searching. Num is searching for buzz.
Kind of, I guess. Okay. Okay, so when does this function return the number itself? When does the function return just a number? So at line 25, when it returns a number and says, what does it say? It says num is num, right? When does that happen?
Yeah, like Master Han. See, it says 2
Right.
is.
So why did it say 2 is 2? When does that happen? What does it mean when it returns? What does it mean when it returns the number?
When a number is not equal to fizz or buzz or
Well,
fizz
not
buzz,
no, not equal to. It's not fizz.
not equal to, but if it's not related to fizz or buzz, then it becomes just is, like 2 is 2. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's go to the next function. Let's go to the next function.
Okay.
No. Let's go to the next function.
Oh, right.
Okay, what's the name of this function?
Count up.
Okay, and what does it do?
It I honestly have it counts up.
Well, okay, counts up. Okay. What happens at line 33? What happens at line 33?
Let us read. document zero. It's adding one number to
That it's
to
adding
the
one. It's adding the number one to value. Okay.
yeah.
So what button is tied to this function?
This big pink one.
Okay. What happens every time you click on it?
It counts up one. So see here, this is one. Count up.
Okay.
Now it's two.
Okay. What else is the function doing? Look at line 37. What else does it do?
Oh, sorry.
Look at line 37. What else does it do? It counts up. It adds one to the number. And what else does it do?
It's saying this is one more. It's adding also one to the answer down here.
Okay. Let's read the whole thing. What does it do? Read the whole thing.
Document dot forms form 0 element 1 value FizzBuzz number.
Okay. So what is number? What is the number? Look at line 35. What is number?
It's a VA. What is a VAR? What's a VAR?
Well, what starts with VAR?
Variable.
Variable. Okay. So what is number?
It's a variable.
Right. But where does it come from?
It comes from document.
Okay. So on the right side where you see this text box that says number and it says number 3. Okay, you see that?
And then 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
So document form 0 dot elements 1 value. That's pointing that's the number that's inside the text file. Okay.
Master Han, did you know that this number is FizzBuzz?
I have no idea. That's a big number. Okay, so what's happening is
here, it's FizzBuzz.
Scorpion, I'm running out of time here. Okay, so what's happening is line 33, what's happening? Line 33, what's happening? We do what?
It's adding 1.
It's adding 1 to whatever. So if you click the count up button, it'll add 1 to the number that you typed into the number text box. Okay, you see that, right? But what else did it do? But what else? Every time you count up, what else is it doing? It's adding 1 to the number, and what else is it doing?
It's adding
1 to the number, and what else does it do?
I don't know.
Well, let's look at line 37 again. What's happening in line 37?
Oh, it's adding 1 to the variable.
No, it's not adding anything to the variable. What's happening in line 37? What is the function that count up calls another function? What's the name of this function?
Document.
No.
Form?
Function would have parentheses. Function has parentheses.
Number.
Number is a variable. Number is the variable. Number is the variable we create in line 35. What is the name of the function we're calling on line 37?
Document. I don't know. It doesn't.
Okay.
There's no.
Okay, let's go back up. Let's go back up. Let's go back up. Let's go back up. What is the name?
FizzBuzz.
Okay, why is it calling the FizzBuzz function?
Because
what happens when you count up? It adds a 1 to the number that's inside the number text box, and also does what? Click on the count up button. Click on the count up button.
Okay.
Okay. And what happens?
counted up.
And what else did it do?
It made the answer different.
Okay.
We only have one
How
minute,
does
by the
how
way.
does that work? How does it work? What does the count up button have to do to get that answer?
The count up button has to
Again, look at line
it has to
37.
add-
Look at line
so
37.
it's adding 1 to the answer.
Right? No, it's not adding 1 to the answer. It adds 1 to the number.
That's what I said before.
Okay. But what else does it do? Look at line 37. What else is it doing? Element 0 is the number text box. Element 1
Okay.
is the answer text box.
Oh,
So what is it doing to what is it?
It's creating another answer for the answer text box.
Well, it's replacing whatever is there. It's writing over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every time you count up, does the answer change? Click on the count up button. Click on the count up.
Yeah, it does. This is so much fun.
Okay. So how does it know the answer? What does it have to do to get the answer? What does it have to do? What does the count up function have to do to get the correct answer?
The count up number has to
The count up button, the
check
count
it.
up function has to call the what?
The FizzBuzz function.
Right, the FizzBuzz function. Okay. Why did I code the FizzBuzz function first? Go back up. Go back up. Why did I code the FizzBuzz function first?
The FizzBuzz function, you coded it so you could for num, because the parentheses is num.
No, it has nothing to do with that. Why is the FizzBuzz function is there before the count up button? I mean, so count up function. How come I coded Scorpion? Please don't mess with the code.
That was an accident.
Okay. Why did I code the FizzBuzz function first before the count up function?
Because you need to call the FizzBuzz function in the
Right. All right. So I can't call a function until I create it first.
Yeah, you haven't
Okay.
called you can't call a function until you've actually made it.
Right. Because the web browser is reading the file from top to the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you need to call another function, you have to code that before you call the function. Okay.
And Master Han.
Right. Okay.
It's 2 past
Okay.
the whatever it's called.
Okay.
It's 2
But
past
are you-
5 over here.
Okay, Scorpion, but are you telling me that you don't understand anything? You have no idea what the
I
code
do
does?
understand. I understand what it does.
Okay, it's not that different from Python. The syntax is different. The syntax is different, but the equal sign is the same, right?
Yep.
Parentheses are the same, right?
Yep.
Okay, the modulus operator is the same, right?
Yep.
The return keyword is the same, right?
Yep.
Okay, the if keyword is the same, right?
Yup.
Okay. So it's really not that different.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not that different. It's a different language, but honestly, it shares a lot of same things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I'll see you Thursday. Okay. You know what your assignment is, right?
Oh, you never told it to me.
I just did it before the session.
No, you didn't.
I just did.
Could you tell me again?
Okay. Oh boy. It's right here. It's got today's date. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And the assignment is right here. Okay.
All right.
Right
Add another racer to the tracing game.
Okay. We didn't have time to do this, so I'll delete that. We'll do that Thursday.
Oh man.
You kept playing the game. You kept playing with the game. Okay, your assignment will be here in Google Classroom. It'll be posted right over here. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So I'll see you Thursday. Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.